Please make sure the components and tools you received match the user manual. Basic video of how Minifix connector works. Follow this throughout. This is nylon socket. Place the nylon socket in its respective place and knock it with the soft hammer. This is the Minifix screw. Fix the Minifix screws in their respective nylon socket with the help of given screwdriver. This is the Minifix housing. Make sure the Minifix housing is perfectly mounted in its hole. The arrow in the Minifix housing must be facing the hole in the side of the board. Place the wooden dowel in the hole opposite to the Minifix housing and knock it using the soft hammer. Now while fixing, make sure the Minifix screw is perfectly mounted. Rotate the Minifix housing 180 degrees towards the positive end. This is the difference between Minifix screw is unlocked and locked. Pick board 6, 9, and 13 and attach the bushes with the given screws using screwdriver. Pick board 1 and attach board 2 to it. Rotate the Minifix housing 180 degrees. Pick board 3 and attach board 4 to it. Tighten it with the given screws using screwdriver. Attach board 3 to board 1, board 2 to board 4. Tighten it with the given screws using screwdriver. Rotate the Minifix housing 180 degrees. Attach board 5 to board 1 as shown. Ensuring the dowels are perfectly inserted in their holes. Tighten it with the given screws using screwdriver. Pick board 6 and attach board 7. Rotate the Minifix housing 180 degrees. Slowly turn to board to the shown position. Attach board 8 to board 6. Now attach them to board 5. Rotate the Minifix housing 180 degrees towards the positive end. Place board 9 flat as shown. Tighten it with the given screws using screwdriver. Pick board 10 and attach board 11 to it. Now attach it to board 9. Rotate the Minifix housing 180 degrees. Attach the L-clamp to board 12. Tighten it with the given screws using screwdriver. Attach board 12 to board 9. Rotate the Minifix housing 180 degrees. Pick board 13 and attach auto hinges. Fix more soft close. Place it flat on 10, 11, and 12 boards. Rotate the Minifix housing 180 degrees. Carefully turn the unit upright. Carefully turn the unit upright. Attach the board 14 flat as shown. Rotate the Minifix housing 180 degrees. Slowly open the auto hinges. Fix more soft close. Place the metal ring on the hole as shown. Attach the locker with the given screws using screwdriver. Make sure to place the drawer lock as shown, and the handle holes are straight. Attach the handle with the given screws using screwdriver. Attach the door board to the auto hinges. Fix more soft close. Attach the back boards and tighten it with the given screws using screwdriver. Tighten it with the given screws using screwdriver. Tighten it with the given screws using screwdriver. Attach the shelf support L-plug on all 4 sides equally so that the board can stand flat. Slowly tilt the board and place it on the pins. Follow the same for the other shelves. Slowly tilt the board and place it on the pins. Follow the same for the other shelves. Slowly tilt the board and place it on the pins. Attach the grommet wire hole cap in the cable management holes. Your product is ready to use.